Emitting low-frequency sound waves, the scanner ensures the structural integrity of the alloy panel is absolute, detecting voids invisible to the naked eye.
The massive fuselage section, a critical component for the main fuel tank, smoothly transitions onto...
The acidic levels are fluctuating near the threshold.
Yes, but the flow rate remains steady. We are cleared for etching.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with Process A.
Process A begins with the precise insert of the J-8 fuselage section. The massive structural component is carefully removed from the high-temperature oven and transferred to a cooling station.
Pressure approaching stabilization. Holding steady at 225 psi. Process A validated.
The pneumatic pressure is slowly vented to ambient levels. The thermal scan reveals a uniform temperature profile.
The fully sealed component is wrapped in a protective anti-static sheet, meticulously secured by robotic arms before being transferred to the assembly line.
goal. The newly machined composite access panel moves the integration zone. It is then mounted onto a stainless steel jig, ready for
This highly resilient orange synthetic gasket provides the secondary fuel and weather seal, pressed firmly into the complex curvature by the robotic arm.
Here's the radar assembly from the 401 depot.
Copy that. Manifest signed. We'll get this installed immediately.
Process B integrity confirmed. And the locks are smooth.
Showcasing identical size and complex curvature, the new Process B panel confirms perfect
Access panel secure and flush.
Landing gear pins removed. They clear.
Final confirmation. Aircraft ready for startup.
The massive Interceptor endures initial vibrations and fuel sloshing, testing the integrity of the fuel system seals.
Cruising at high altitude, the seamless Process B access panels endure extreme temperatures, confirming their reliability. The Shenyang J-8, fully serviced for night operations. The integrity of the fuel system relies on precise manufacturing.
As the J-8 encounters harsh weather, the critical Process B component ensures the integrity of the fuel system, confirming robust weatherproofing. As aerodynamic loads peak, the Process B composite panel holds firm, sustaining the Interceptor's high-performance envelope.
Having relied on the integrity of its fuel system, the mission is complete. The aircraft confirms the durability of the Process B composite structure,